Motherfucker, what the hell?
Nailed it.
Hey! Just a sec, reloading!
Fucking calm down there, Finland. Holy shit.
Making my way downtown through Chirac, shooting terrorists because I'm on now.
To the right! On the bridge!
Thank God somebody shot him because all I had was C4.
You know, there's a fucking 50 cal right here and a gun made in China right here you can pick up.
Holy
Got him.
shit, that was close. That was extremely close. He was looking you in the eyes.
Holy shit, here.
Yo, hey! Wait! Hang on! Hey, careful!
Good shot.
Well, Brock, get out of the way. I'm about to send it.
Stay away from the door.
It's clear. I'm out.
You put me out. Thanks.
Speak up.
You're welcome.
I'm here, but I can fight. It's nothing. Hit that position, light those fuckers up. Section, this is observer requesting a gun.
Fuck. Fuck.
Yeah, okay, good to go.
Where did you send it? To Africa. Nice.
Yeah, he's blessing those Marines.
Walk out.
Holy fuck. Oh, sniped him.
I'm gonna get C.
Oh, no. And I fucked her. No.
Woo-wee!
Hey, got somebody with a grenade. How lucky is that?
Roger that, thanks.
Oh,
They're moving left.
Brock, save that for the fucking ammo cache.
They're coming through the fucking stores.
Save it for the ammo cache, Brock.
They're still moving
don't
left.
need
There's
to
a lot of
send
them
it
going
now.
left.
Fine. Oh, baby! Yay!
He sounds so much like JFJ. I'm not even joking.
I tried to get one. You say JFK?
I said JFJ. Oh wait, you probably don't know who he is, but once I show you him, you'll fucking realize your voice sounds so much like him.
I've heard I've sounded like Tim the Tapman before, but I don't know. That was back on Xbox though, so I did it for Mike at the time. 40 Mike, baby!
I've been told I sound like Christopherson from fucking from
The fuck is
Fantastic Mr.
Christopher?
Fox.
For Columbus.
From
Sorry.
Fantastic Mr. Fox.
What?
I don't know who. I've seen that movie. I don't know what
Is this some
character.
weird furry shit
That's
you're talking
the
about?
cousin.
Is this a fucking furry film?
No,
Not exactly, but kinda.
I mean, it
I
has
mean, if you
humans.
watched it, I mean, you could probably identify it as if you're fucking dumb, but yeah,
It has humans in it though.
true. It's a good ass movie though.
Oh yeah.
I remember I used to hate it because of like the animation,
Ah, I gotcha.
but it's actually a great movie.
Oh god
Dude,
damn it, Brott!
What
bruh!
animation style if it called?
I have no idea.
How can you murder someone and blame it on them?
You fucking look like a terrorist!
What do you
Oh
mean?
shit, they're
Serial
all coming
killers
out
do
the
it all the
fucking
time.
walls!
You ever kill a
They're
fucking
all coming
hooker?
out the fucking walls!
Ah, I got the
Yay!
motherfucker!
Damn. I love just Kobeing these 40
I'm
mic
gonna
mics.
lie, I legit thought you were still the terrorist I was shooting at earlier.
Yeah, well, I was like standing right where a terrorist was that I shot, so.
I was like, this is probably still the same terrorist.
Ow!
Oh,
my
what the hell?
PP!
Holy shit!
What? Why did that explode 1 minute later?
God damn it!
I threw that into the smoke where they were gonna come out from.
I was not near that van!
Are we going for the 9 fucking layers of hell? What's going on here?
Damn it!
I just said every line every pedophile says. I was not near that van.
I did not hit her. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, did everybody else die? Holy shit.
Now they did.
Consider me as a person.
He's probably a furry. No offense, Wolfie. I made sure to say that not in game chat.
Sniper kid. Serious. Much good.
What do you mean?
I wanna be specialty kid.
Oh no 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 no!
What do you want to use?
I wanna just like, yeah, I can't
Yeah, do you not know how to have fun? Come on. Why you gotta try hard?
You're right, dying is so much more fun.
Bring an RPG and 40 mic mics and you'll have a blast, dude. Maybe drink some natty lights, you know, have a good time.
He's just good at fire, that's all it is.
Yeah, I was probably an ROTC kid. Nope.
I don't think RTC kid does this good.
No, but they probably tried this hard.
I was probably a Terminator sent back in time to terminate one of us.
Give me a
That's the
handy if
case,
you
so
came here to
back.
kill me. Give me a handy. Oh, no, no.
In this case, you take my $8,000 that I have.
That's the best way to get out of debt. It's also the fastest way.
Good lord.
He probably has wall hacks.
Just stacks bodies, man. That's all he
Vac
does.
ban.
Fucking doing a little dance in first person.
Yeah, I want the visor kid next time, yeah. This mushroom kid.
Fine. Be greedy like that.
Using SVD, like what do you need a visor kit for?
Oh! Steak!
There he died.
Steak! Steak!
Grove Street, home.
Oh, good job.
At least it was till we fucked it up.
I was gonna ask him if he could do the fucking Cupid shuffle. Yeah, can you do the Cupid shuffle in game?
I don't know what that is.